To fully appreciate the significance of this event, we must journey back to when it all began. The year was 2022. On February 24th, Russia launched a full-scale invasion of Ukraine. The aim was not just territorial gain, but a complete overthrow of the Ukrainian government. The West responded with financial and trade sanctions on Russia, marking the beginning of a new era of conflict. The war unfolded in two distinct phases. Initially, Russia's goal was to conquer Ukraine and replace its government. Ukraine, in response, declared martial law and mobilized its forces. The United States imposed sanctions on Russian banks and banned exports of sensitive technologies, but Russia encountered resistance from Ukrainian defenders, leading to significant losses. Then, the second phase began. Russia shifted its focus to the east, while Ukraine launched counter-offensives in the north and south, reclaiming over 1,000 settlements. The US and the UK provided advanced missile systems to Ukraine. The war continued, marked by ongoing battles, casualties, and displacement. Fast forward to the present, Ukraine has upped its game. Last week, a Russian-guided missile ship, the Ivanovets, was sunk by 6 sea drones operated by a secretive Ukrainian unit. These drones, named Magura, are powered by jet skis, have a range of approximately 800 kilometers and can be pre-programmed for long journeys. They are difficult to detect and maneuverable, making them challenging targets for defense systems. This attack was part of Ukraine's strategy to target strategic locations in Russia, leveling the playing field between the two nations. The Ukrainian Defense Intelligence Agency has been linked to several such attacks. The use of drones has not been limited to naval targets. They have also targeted Russia's oil and gas infrastructure. Ukraine's top general has called for wider use of drones to save lives and counter Russia's advantage in arms and ammunition. To summarize, the drone attack in Ukraine represents a significant shift in the dynamics of warfare. The use of unmanned vehicles such as drones has become a game changer, offering smaller nations a chance to stand up against larger, more powerful adversaries. This recent event underscores the evolution of military strategy. The sinking of the Ivanovets is seen as a victory for Ukraine against Russia's Black Sea Fleet, especially since Ukraine no longer has a functioning navy in the Black Sea since Russia's takeover of Crimea in 2014. It's a testament to the power of technology in leveling the playing field and a stark reminder of the rapidly changing face of warfare. Remember, the future of conflict may very well be dominated by drones and other unmanned technologies. The recent drone attack in Ukraine is just the beginning. As we continue to witness the unfolding of this modern warfare era, we must not underestimate the power of technology in shaping the outcomes of global conflicts.